To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
If history serves as a precursor for investors on what to expect for equity markets should the much-anticipated cutting of interest rates by the U.S. Federal Reserve be initiated on the 18th of September, fund managers are predicting the following. Short-term volatility and opportunities for accumulation as beaten-down stock prices present better returns on investment. Fund managers tell The Edge that they are expecting intense market volatility to persist in the short term, particularly as the U.S. presidential election takes place on the 5th of November. Investors will be watching for the policy direction of the new president, with deepening geopolitical tensions and the ongoing U.S.-China trade war expected to further fuel uncertainty. While these external risks contribute to short-term instability, the longer-term outlook tends to improve after rate cuts historically, providing a more favorable environment for markets once policies stabilize and economic conditions become clearer. Fund management company Arica Capital's CEO Danny Wong tells The Edge. Taiwan is preparing to launch its first active exchange-traded fund. The move comes 2 months after releasing the policy to introduce more innovative ETFs as part of its bid to develop the island into a regional asset management hub. The Financial Supervisory Commission says it has amended existing ETF rules in trading, delisting, suspension, and trading fees to pave the way for the listing of active ETFs. The financial regulator estimates the amendment process will take approximately 60 days for approvals. The majority of employees' Provident Fund members in the northern region, covering the states of Belize, Penang, Kedah, and Perak, were found to not have sufficient basic savings of at least 240,000 ringgit at the age of 55. EPF Northern Region Director Jeffrey Mohammed ISA said, for example, Penang has 746,000 members aged 55 or below, but only 27% or 199,000 members have reached the basic savings balance, while another 73% have not yet reached the basic savings balance. Financial sufficiency is important when they retire later. If they do not have enough money, then they will face difficulties not only to support themselves but also their families, he told reporters at a session with Penang Media here on the 26th of September. What the EPF has set now is based on a basic savings of 240,000 ringgit, but it depends on the individual's lifestyle as well as health conditions at that time, so they need to have more savings. The Malaysian ringgit may be heading towards its strongest level in nearly 4 years thanks to the narrowing interest rate and weakening greenback, said MIDF Amanah Investment Bank. By the end of 2024, the ringgit may close at 4.03 against the US dollar, its strongest since February 2021, MIDF said in a strategy note. History shows that a stronger ringgit would lead to an influx of foreign funds that also boost stocks on Bursa Malaysia, it noted. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has launched a dedicated foreign portfolio investors outreach cell as part of its efforts to enhance foreign investments in the country. The outreach cell will serve as a bridge between foreign investors and the Indian securities market, providing them with guidance and support throughout their engagement, from pre-application to post-registration, SEBI says in a statement on the 25th of September. The cell will operate under SEBI's Alternative Investment Fund and Foreign Portfolio Investors Department. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.